Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the pin on your DREAME Roboticmover A1. So, click the stop button to open the lid.
Please verify your pin on the display.
Verify by pin. Oh. Now go to settings. And here, search for change pin. Oh, I'm going to zoom it for you, because you probably can't see it very well. But I'm going to show it again. So just go into settings and search for change pin. Now set your current pin. And your new pin. One, 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 two. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.